sneezing in his face.
I went to the ocean. I'm trying to go.
God damn.
Let me call you back, bro.
My allergies, thank
Let me
you.
call you back. Bro, you just sneezed on me?
It was an accident, babe.
Babe, how old are you? How did you just sneeze on me?
Babe,
And then you just sitting there, bro. Can you get me a tissue? Do something, bro. What if I sneeze? What if I sneeze on you, bro?
You better not.
You all like, you better not, bro. You know, here, wear this mask when you in this car now, bro. How are you sneezing on me? Are you a baby? You need a baby mask or something? It's not funny. You just sneezed on me and you laughing.
Why would you do that?
Get the tissue. Get something. The hand sanitizer. Something. Move. Watch out. That's disgusting. You're not a baby. Where's my hand sanitizer at? Damn. Stop.
Since you want to do that.